Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night, unable to fall asleep? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with getting a good night's rest. The good news is that nature has a simple solution: essential oils. In today's video, we'll share 5 essential oils that can help you relax, reduce stress, and enjoy peaceful sleep. Let's get started. First up, we have the king of relaxation, lavender oil. Known for its calming and soothing properties, lavender oil is perfect for reducing anxiety and stress. Studies have shown that inhaling lavender oil before bed helps improve the quality of your sleep. How to use it? Simply add a few drops to your pillow diffuser, or even mix it with a carrier oil for a gentle massage. Fun fact: lavender has been used for over 2,500 years to promote relaxation. Next on the list is chamomile oil. You've probably heard of chamomile tea, but did you know the oil version is equally powerful for sleep? Chamomile oil has calming properties that help reduce nervous tension and prepare your mind for deep sleep. How to use it? Add a few drops to your evening bath, or diffuse it in your bedroom an hour before bed. Pro tip: pair it with lavender oil for double the relaxation. Coming in at number 3 is cedarwood oil. This warm, woody oil promotes the release of serotonin, which your body converts into melatonin, the sleep hormone. It helps calm racing thoughts and brings a feeling of peace. How to use it? Place 2 to 3 drops in your diffuser, or rub diluted cedarwood oil on your wrists before bedtime. Bonus: cedarwood oil is also great for improving focus during meditation. Number 4 on our list is bergamot oil. Unlike other citrus oils, bergamot doesn't energize you. Instead, it helps lower your heart rate and reduce stress. This makes it perfect for calming your body and mind before sleep. How to use it? Add a few drops to your diffuser or blend it with a carrier oil for a relaxing chest rub. Quick tip: make sure you use pure bergamot oil, as synthetic versions won't have the same calming effects. Finally, we have ylang oil, the floral-scented oil that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Ylang not only reduces stress, but also helps slow down your heart rate, making it easier to fall asleep. How to use it? Combine it with lavender or chamomile oil in your diffuser for a powerful, sleep-inducing aroma. Interesting fact: ylang is often used in aromatherapy to balance emotions and uplift mood. So, there you have it. 5 essential oils that can help you sleep like a baby. Whether you prefer lavender, chamomile, cedarwood, bergamot, or ylang, these natural oils are safe, effective, and easy to use. Try adding one to your nighttime routine and watch the magic happen. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can receive more health tips. Thank you for watching, and sweet dreams.